我是 Katrina. Welcome to another episode of Smart Mandarin Q&A series. In today's episode, we're going to teach you how to get directions or ask directions in Mandarin Chinese. Now let's get started. First of all, I need to give you some vocabulary. So the first vocab is go straight. Go straight in Mandarin is 直走. 直 means straight. 直 so 直走. Straight walk literally means go straight. And there's another way to say go straight is 往前走. So you know 走 means to walk. 往前 means toward the front. Toward the front. So you go towards the front, 往前走. Go straight, 往前走 or 直走. And the next vocab is to turn right. Okay, to turn right in Mandarin is 右转. 右转. So 右 is right. 转 is turn. So right turn means turn right. And this usage is used in Taiwan more often. In China, they say 右拐. 右拐. So depending on you're in China or Taiwan, so you choose either one to say. But my experience is when I was traveling in China, even I say 右转, the way we Taiwanese people speak, they can understand without any problem. Turn left is 左转. 左转 is the way that we Taiwanese people say 左转. 左 is left. 转 is turn. Or in China, they say 左拐. 左拐. It's the same thing. Intersection. So intersection in Mandarin is 路口. 路口. It's very direct. 路 is road. 口 is mouth. So road, mouth is intersection. 路口. Sometimes we get direction, we could say you see the second intersection and then you turn right. So that's why we need this vocabulary, 路口. But sometimes we also have another expression saying if you see the second traffic light and you turn right or turn left. Okay, so traffic light in Mandarin is 红绿灯. 红绿灯. 红 is red. 绿 is green. 灯 is light. So 红绿灯. 红绿灯. Next one, meters, okay, which is 公尺. 公尺. This is what we use in Taiwan more often to say meter or meters. 公尺. In China, they say 米. Sometimes when we are giving directions, we say, okay, you walk about, 200 meters, more or less about. In Mandarin is 差不多. 差不多. It's more or less about 差不多. Next one, 然后. I love this vocabulary so much because 然后 is and then. In our conversation in Mandarin Chinese, we always say, I went to the supermarket and then what happened and then what happened. It's kind of like a feeling words in Mandarin Chinese, 然后. But in the giving direction situation, we can use 然后 in a situation that to say you go straight and then turn right and then go straight and then turn left. Okay, that's how you use 然后. I will give you the sentences later. Okay, 然后, 然后. But when people speak faster, they might say 然后, 然后, 然后. But if we kind of enunciate the word, that would be 然后, 然后. Got it? If you want to ask where is something something, you would say 请问 XYZ 在哪里? So the XYZ here is where to put the location or the place you want to go to. 请问地铁站在哪里? 地铁站 is subway station. 请问地铁站在哪里 Or you could say 请问捷运站在哪里捷运站 also means subway station. So 捷运 is subway that we use in Taiwan. And previously I told you 地铁 also means subway, but that's what they use in China. So also depending on where you are. Okay, so 捷运站在哪里请问捷运站在哪里 That's how you ask where is XYZ. Or you could also say 请问 XYZ 怎么走怎么 is how to 走 is walk 怎么走 means how to get there how to walk literally 请问捷运站怎么走请问捷运站怎么走 Or you could also say when you're in China 请问地铁站怎么走 So there are two different ways to ask for directions. Now, let's answer the question to give directions. Go straight for 200 meters and turn right. You'll be there. So go straight for 200 meters. Okay, let me give you a China style first. 往前走200米，然后右拐就到了。往前走 remember towards front, so like it's go straight. 往前走200米 200 meters, 然后右拐 and then turn right 就到了。就到了 means then you arrive there. Okay, 到 means arrive. So 就到了 then you'll be there. 往前走200米，然后右拐就到了。This is the China style to say that. The Taiwan style would say 直走200公尺，然后右转就到了。直走 go straight 直走200公尺200 meters 200公尺然后 and then 右转 turn right 就到了 and then you will arrive there 直走200公尺然后右转就到了 But if you want to say go straight then turn left at the second light the second traffic light go straight and turn left at the second traffic light In Mandarin, okay, China style Mandarin is 往前走，然后第二个路口左拐。往前走 ，go straight， 往前走，然后 and then 第二个路口 the second， 第二个 the second 路口 intersection， 第二个路口左拐。左拐 means to turn left. I don't know which one is left or right. Okay, on the screen. Anyway, so 往前走，然后第二个路口左拐。Or you could say 往前走，然后第二个红绿灯左拐。You could use 红绿灯 instead of 路口. It's up to you. If there's no traffic light, you say 路口, right? The Taiwan style, you would say 直走，然后第二个红绿灯左转。直走，然后第二个红绿灯左转。直走 go straight， 然后 and then 第二个 the second 红绿灯 traffic light 左转 turn left. Sometimes when I'm asking for directions and they tell me how to get there, I usually ask that how long does it take to get there from here? You know, how long does it take me to walk there? How do you say that in Mandarin? 从这里到 XYZ 要多久？从这里 so from here 到 XYZ. That's the place that you want to go. 要多久? 要 means want, but here means require. So requires how long? 多久? 从这里到 somewhere 要多久? So maybe the person say, okay, more or less 10 minutes or about 10 minutes. So in Mandarin would be 差不多10分钟. 差不多10分钟. I find that in daily conversation in China, people will say 差不多. So the cha is the fourth tone in China. At least that's what I heard. And in Taiwan, we tend to say 差不多, the first tone. Okay, just be aware of that. So about 10 minutes, 差不多10分钟. The next one is how to say, to ask for direction. It's actually very cute expression in Mandarin. To ask for direction in Mandarin is 问路. 问路. 问 means to ask. 路 is row. Ask row means to ask for direction. 问路. So if you want to learn more about giving direction in Mandarin Chinese, I actually have one ebook on Teachable platform. If you're interested, you can hit the link down below. I teach a whole chapter. I teach about how to ask for directions, how to get directions when you're walking, when you're driving, or when you are taking the subway. And I provide both traditional Chinese and simplified Chinese, the style people say in China or the style people say in Taiwan. The links are down below. I have 5 different chapters to teach students 5 very essential conversational situations in Mandarin Chinese. If you are also interested in my courses, then you can purchase my Absolute Beginners course. Just one thing you have to know is my Absolute Beginners course on Teachable comes with the free ebook. So if you not only interested in my ebook, you're also interested in learning the course with me, you could consider purchasing Absolute Beginners course. That comes with a free ebook, downloadable MP3 files, and downloadable free ebook. Okay, thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. 谢谢你们，再见。